We want to speak English very fluently, but sometimes what happens when we do English conversation, we stuck. We are not able to recall some words. We forget some words. In this video, we will talk about this problem and how we can solve this problem because I was also facing this problem and how I solve, I will share my experience. So let's know. If you do conversation and you think your weak point is vocabulary, you have a lack of vocabulary. Maximum time you stuck. You don't know maximum word. So in that case, I would like to say you should work on your vocabulary. You should enhance your vocabulary. If you read any vocabulary, try to use that vocabulary in sentence and try to repeat that vocabulary in any conversation or anywhere where is a use of that vocabulary. Try to repeat. If you repeat, that will fit in your memory. And if you'll have that vocabulary, so you can speak in any situation. I think our biggest problem is when we do conversation with someone, we run behind perfection. We think, are we doing any mistake? Our grammar is correct. Don't think too much about mistake, grammar. Yeah, you can improve your grammar. You can understand where you are lacking and you can improve. But don't think always like you are weak in grammar, you are doing mistake. It's happen, it's natural. And don't feel anxiety, nervousness. Sometimes we overthink, so don't think too much. It's also one reason you forget words because we are only thinking about negative thing. Like we are thinking we are not a good speaker. So you should think positive. You should think you are a good speaker. Speak slowly. Take pause. Don't be in hurry. What is the disadvantage of speaking fast? If you speak fast, who is front of you, they will not be able to understand what you want to say. That would be difficult for that person who is front of you. And second thing, if you speak very fast, then it will be difficult to convey your message fast. And it might be you will stuck. You will forget your words, what you want to say. And if you take pause, if you speak slowly, then you will be able to remember what you want to say and you will be able to deliver your message in clear manner. So that's why take pause, speak slowly. Think in English. When we do conversation with someone, so what happened? We first of all, what we want to say, we think in our mother tongue language. After that, we translate that sentence or word in English, then we speak. It takes too much time, and sometimes we are not able to convert that word, that sentences in English. So, if you will think in English, then it will take less time and you will be able to deliver your message quickly. Do know, when I do conversation with someone and I face some difficult word, I stuck in any word, I'm not able to recall that word. So in that time, I use one strategy. I think that would be very interesting for you. You can also apply that strategy. If I don't get any word in that time, I try to use synonyms of that word. If I'm not getting synonyms also, so in that time, I try to explain that word in sentence. I try to describe that word in English sentences. So you can also use that strategy. And if you describe that word, so he who is front of you, they can also help you to get exact word. So that would be beneficial for you. Do practice of speaking. It's up to you where you want to do practice of speaking. You can record yourself in camera. You can record your recording. There you can do practice. You can use any application for conversation. You can use mirror for speaking practice. And if you want to do speaking practice, so you should have some data. For data, you'll have to watch some English content. You'll have to listen content, and you can read book also. That will also enhance your English. That would be also very beneficial for you. And you can write whatever you want to write, your thought. You can write on any topic. This type of thing will be very beneficial for you. And do practice.